Hey guys, what's up? It's Resurrected Vegan. I know normally I'm out jet skiing or on my dirt bike, but today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be doing a new segment on vegan cooking. Today we are going to do vegan chili with tofu crumbles in it. A little bit different. I am not a very good chef. I'm not a very good cooker. I've only gone vegan recently after starting training for my jet ski races. So you guys are sort of gonna be learning with me. Feel free to subscribe, hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna be doing a whole bunch of different easy, simple recipes that any vegan can cook. Here is what I got at Albertsons for under $40. I got 5 cans of black beans, kidney beans, crushed red peppers. The tofu was only $1.49, super cheap there. And then of course your Daya shredded cheese, a little more expensive, about $5. Sweet onion. Like I said, this was all under $40. I just got the basic spices here. Preheat the oven here to 350. All right, so start off real simple, 2 tablespoons soy sauce. Oops. So next is going to be 2 tablespoons nutritional yeast. 2. And then we got 2 teaspoons chili powder. And then this is the smoked paprika, which would just be 1 teaspoon. I should mix it up a little bit like this, just like that. Like I said, guys, I really don't know what I'm doing. Oh shit. I guess you gotta drain the tofu. So you drain tofu. Like I said, we're learning together. Sort of gonna crumble it up. And just sort of mix it together. Oh, I'm just gonna spread out the parchment paper. So boom, got it spread out. Now we're gonna put this in the oven. Cup of water, rinse your black beans. And of kidney beans. And of crushed red tomato. We have 3 teaspoons of the red chili pepper. 1, 2. Actually, tablespoons, sorry. Got 1 teaspoon of the smoked paprika, and this is the ground cumin. 2 teaspoons of that. I'm assuming we just sort of flip it over. And this will go back in the oven for another 15 minutes. And then we're just gonna set it down to simmer. We got our tofu.